SB66 Hotel Foxtrot Whiskey. Number one, that's going to the police, who will probably prosecute you, and in about 6 months it's going to go on YouTube. You'll be able to find your number plate there. You're doing a very dangerous thing, and you should never think like that. So selfish. We have it wrong side of here. Good morning. I am. So this is number one, going to the police, and number two, it'll be on YouTube. And anyone will be able to search your beautiful custom number plate. I'm standing in the way, and you did what? What's that sign say? It says you have to go on the left of that. I thought you had a driving license. Did you buy in a Christmas cracker? Back you go.
Last Thursday as well. Yeah. Fuck off the road.
You fuck off and learn your highway code.
Last Thursday he was doing exactly the same thing.
Yeah, and all of them got reported, and all of them get prosecuted.
Caused nothing but trouble.
No, I'm not. You're going to drive through me, or shall I call the police then? Why don't you call the police? By the way, your engine's still running. I'd put your phone down if I were you, because then you're risking 6 points.
What are you doing?
I'm blocking him from going on the wrong side of the road.
Policeman.
No, I don't need to be.
You should move then.
No, he should move. He's on the wrong side.
No, you're not a policeman.
So?
So it's not your job.
So what?
Yeah,
you go back. You can't go back.
You're blocking the traffic, mate. You're
yes, sir.
What you're trying to achieve. I get your point, but you've got...
I don't care, mate. Go away.
Sorry?
Just go away. I'm not interested.
Listen, don't be rude to me. Don't be rude to me.
Don't tell me what to do, and I won't tell you what to do. I'm not interested in what you have to say, so go away. All right, Merv.
Just be polite, because you're not a policeman, so you can't tell him what to do. You can't tell me to do. I get your point. You've made your point.
Yeah.
You videoed it, but you're now blocking all the
He's going to be reported to the police.
Yeah, okay.
He's doing the right thing.
Yeah, but it's done now, isn't it? It's blocking all the traffic.
Every single day, people cut across the way you do.
Yeah, but it's done now. He's got it on video, and now he's blocking the whole of London.
But he's got to go back there, hasn't he? Where can you go?
What's preventing you from going back, other than your great massive ego? What's preventing you from going back, other than your ego?
You can't go forward. You can't go around the corner there. You've got to go back. Doing the club.
Just go back.
You've got to go back, man.
There's nothing stopping you going back.
Reverse.
There's nothing stopping you going from the right way.
No.
You can go backwards. Nice driver competence, huh?
This guy's got to go back.
I see you can go back. I see you can go back.
Yeah, but it's not safe to do that, and you can take someone out come around the corner, mate.
What he's doing is very dangerous.
They look that way, you see. You got to do it every day.
He's on the wrong side of the road. That's why he's getting stopped. Yeah, you can't stop him. You can't allow him to get away with that. Anything to say to YouTube?
Yeah, I'm famous. Thank you. Hello, Mom. Have a nice life.
You have a good day too, and have a nice wait for the 2 weeks for your notice of intended prosecution.
I just live around the corner. I thought I'd come to have a chat with you. I work out your issues.
I haven't got any issues, mate. You've got issues with the police.
Wanker.
It never changes, does it?
B7LTU. Come. Oh, man.
Nice to see you anyway.
Good to see you too, man.
I've seen you for a while, man.
I take it you don't mind being on that?
No, you know me. always happy to help out, mate, with your videos.
You got massive huevos, mate. Spanish for eggs.
No problems, man, not at all. I mean, because it's getting a bit bad because, you know, the...
Watch this guy now. Do I stop him? There's no blues. What do you think I should do? I guess I won't stop him because I don't know, right? But if he goes... He's not an emergency ambulance.
He's not, though. He's just kept going round. He's going round the right way.
He is.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to work out what I do.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd stop him.
It's a bit awkward.
I think I'd report him. I'd just report him.
Isn't it?
Just because, you know, it is an ambulance.
Yeah. But he's done the right thing, actually. He's just gone around the outside and come back in the right way.
Damn, the number of people who are telling me I'm in the wrong.
It's stupid.
Oh well.
It's stupid. I mean, it's like people don't know what they... Well, no, they do know. No one's that dumb. They know what they're doing.
Yeah. He's promised to come back. Says he lives around the corner.
To do what?
Work out our issues. I don't have an issue.
You have an issue. He's broken the law.
He's got an issue with the police.
Yeah. And I think it's what you as well. And a fine and a court appearance. That's his issues.
Yeah. I don't think you'll go to court. They seem to be doing mostly
oh right.
driver awareness courses. If they haven't already had a course, that is.
Well, he bloody needs one.
Geez, the one that went around the bonnet, did I show you? Damn.
Oh, I haven't seen that one yet.
I haven't got all of it.
I saw the it's the first bits when you were talking about it on Insta, not Insta, on Twitter. I haven't actually seen it yet.
He's on his phone. Oh, here we go, here's one. From miles back. White van coming from miles back. Watch him go at the speed too. You think you're going that way? Get back in the queue. Look at that sign. It says keep left. It doesn't say go on the right side of this pedestrian island. What's wrong with you? You go back in the queue and you go the proper side of the island. You're a dangerous idiot driving like that. You're going to be reported to the police. Look how far past the island you've come. Go back. No, the longer you wait here, the more I gain by delaying you. You're a very bad driver going here. Go back. He's telling you to go back as well. You'd have already got past if you'd gone in the queue. Thank you, thank you. Two things are happening, right? Number one, this is going to the police. Number two, it's going to go on YouTube. So your company will no doubt find out who you are. Who's your company? Good morning, sir. Be lucky. Go back. Sorry? This is very dangerous. These guys...
You don't always go right. Everybody else is going straight on.
I know what you're talking about.
Police are going to come and get you. I've seen these videos.
But I don't understand what the problem is.
The problem is you're driving dangerously by coming on the wrong side of the road. There's been many near misses and there's been many collisions here. You just got to go back. You cannot do this. And given that the police are probably going to prosecute, it will get to whoever the owner of this vehicle is.
You have to admit as well that all the cyclists are just doing what the fuck they want to. Look, I don't see the cyclists doing this crazy.
This is normal going this way. There's nothing wrong with them going this way.
I see you all the time. I know what you're doing. I respect that.
Cyclists, some cyclists are bad too. I've scolded a lot of them that have come past here. I don't feel able to stop them in case they fall off though. Same with the motorcyclists.
I've seen videos of these where cops come and arrest the person. The smartest thing you could do is go back.
I respect what you do. There's a lot of others doing it too. You know, the cyclists.
Well, I'm trying my best to touch the most dangerous, which are these guys. You know? And he went from way back there, like he really jumped the queue. And I don't approve of the cyclist doing it either. I hope your day goes better and you improve in future, mate. You got to do better than that, man. Ooh, I'm glad I had my bike there. Look at this guy, zero shits given. What are you doing on the wrong side of the road?
Well, I'm impatient. Just do everyone.
And I'm reporting people like you.
Why?
Why? Because what you're doing is flipping dangerous and stupid.
Does it done anyone any harm?
It has done in the past. You're just taking a chance on that.
No, I haven't done anyone any harm.
As you go past me, I'll get your plate.
Okay. What you can do, send it to the police.
Yep. And then stick on YouTube. Shame on you, man.
Okay.
FG56VSU. VU17 Uniform Romeo Golf. Crazy ass dude. And look at the signs here. Everyone's telling the pedestrians to look that way, not where he's coming from. That speed was ridiculous and his number plate's illegally small.